This 15-minute pork recipe will have your family fighting over the last piece. These golden juicy sesame ginger pork slices are fast and addictive. It's a weeknight lifesaver that the whole family will love. Let's get cooking. Here's what you need for this dish: pork loin, sesame oil, ginger. I don't usually peel my ginger. We are going to grind up this ginger anyway. And green peas. Let's start with the pork loin. Whenever you are slicing up the pork loin, look at the grain. The grain runs this way. To get a more tender cut of pork, you would want to cut across the grain, which is this way. I'm first cutting this large piece of loin along the grain. Then I'll cut it against the grain. If you find it difficult to cut it into thin slices, try putting it in the freezer for about 20 minutes to harden it. It will then be a lot easier to slice it thinly. Alternatively, smack each thick slice a couple of times. This will not only flatten it, but it will also tenderize it at the same time. Here, after cutting along the grain, you can clearly see the direction of the grain. So, cut it against the grain. The green peas are, well, the green peas. Let's marinate the pork. You will need soy sauce, salt, baking powder, and water. Stir and massage the pork till all the water is absorbed. The baking powder, or sodium bicarbonate, raises the pH of the surface of each slice of pork. This does two things. It tenderizes the pork. It keeps the meat fibers from tightening as you cook them. So, the meat stays soft and juicy instead of turning tough. It will also give the pork a velvet texture. You will get that signature smooth, slippery, velvety feel you get in Chinese restaurant stir fries. Massage the pork really well till all the water has been absorbed into the pork. When the water has been absorbed into the pork, the bottom of the bowl should be relatively dry. Next, mix in the corn flour. Mix this really well, ensuring that every slice of pork is coated with this corn flour. Then, add in the sesame oil. Again, mix this really well. The sesame oil will give the meat that nutty aroma and prevents the meat from sticking to each other when you stir fry them. For the sauce, grab a thumb-sized ginger. Grate the ginger till you get about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Squeeze out about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger juice. Use more ginger juice if you prefer a stronger ginger flavor. Add water, oyster sauce, fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can use soy sauce, corn flour, and a dash of white pepper. Give all this a good stir till all the corn flour dissolves. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the pork. Spread the pork out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes for it to brown. When the bottom of the pork is brown, something like this, flip it over and fry the other side for another 2 minutes. You may also add in a splash of water and cover it to trap the steam. The steam will help the pork cook faster. When both sides of the pork are cooked, add in the green peas. Fry this for about another minute or so. Then, add in the sauce. Remember to stir the sauce well, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Stir and mix the sauce well into the pork slices. The sauce will come to a boil and thicken up in a very short time. When the sauce has thickened, drizzle some more sesame oil around the sides of the pan. Give all this a good mix. Then, taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, turn off the heat. And your sesame oil stir-fry pork in ginger sauce is ready to serve. Dinner doesn't get quicker or tastier than that. Just a few simple steps and you've got a dish the whole family will love. No stress, no fuss, just pure satisfaction on every plate. If you want more easy wins for busy weeknights, there's a ton of fast, family-approved meals waiting for you. Pick a video on your screen right now, and let's keep making meal times simple and delicious. And I'll see you in the next one.